toe. My nigga been hustling, tryna make him something. Ain't no tellin' what he'll do for the paper. Ain't no tellin'. Souffle, I'm straight, I stay, my plate, shot day. I'm a smooth operator. I drop top of my wheel, baby. That car driving make you feel some type of way. I know you do. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
I spoke to the store manager and found out they have been spraying coil with hot water to remove ice buildup, likely leading to tripped fan circuit breaker, followed by a high temperature service call from yours truly. Next step is to open our closed EPR pilot so our case can cycle through defrost. Open EPR pilot line. Closed pilot bypasses EPR, preventing off-sile defrost. Then we isolate C8 liquid line and pump our circuit down. After our circuit is fully pumped down, isolate C8 suction line. Remove ice from coil. Fan motors. And don't forget to open your refrigerant lines on the way out. And as always, keep it simple.